Hi, this is Nemo. He's a clownfish, and just like all clownfish, he has a special superpower. Clownfish have the unique ability to be able to live in an animal called a sea anemone. While sea anemones sting any other animal that touches them, they protect clownfish and provide them with shelter, while the clownfish clean the anemone, provide it with nutrients, and help scare away other fish. This is called a mutualistic relationship, meaning that both animals benefit each other and help each other survive. So, how does this work? Clownfish have a thick mucus layer surrounding them, about 3 to 4 times thicker than most other fish. This layer protects the clownfish from the anemone stingers, which are called nematocysts. When an anemone stings another fish or a human, it sends out a barbed needle which attaches to the target. The needle then sends out a thin thread, which is hollow, and acts as a tube to help venom travel out of the anemone and into the target. The mucus that surrounds a clownfish is also thought to be chemically similar to the mucus that surrounds a sea anemone, causing the anemone to regard the clownfish cells as its own. On the other hand, when another fish comes into contact with the anemone, the nematocysts bind efficiently to specific cell receptors that the anemone recognizes as foreign. Because this system between the clownfish and anemone is so efficient and precise in targeting specific cells, it is currently inspiring various forms of medicinal treatments for cancer and pain receptors. Thanks for watching!